Hey guys, and welcome. In this video I will teach you how to add Hostinger business email. So business email is really handy if you wanna become much more organized and receive emails onto your business account or business website, which we are going to be using Hostinger for that reason. So you can see we have email marketing and we have email section. Once you head over to emails, it is going to be asking you to upgrade your plan, and what this is going to be giving you is basically a plan. Like for example, you can see we have 10 email aliases, and that can be used to basically get your inbox a business or a professional inbox on your website. So you can see you can one mailbox per website for 1 year, and you can get that up and ready. I hope this is going to be helping you guys out, and if it does, you can consider subscribing to our channel. Stay tuned for more, and see you in the next video.